Alright, so this is the Malone hybrid J hook rack, is what I think it's called. And here's my box cutter. Got this from ACK for I think $69, free shipping, I think it was. And my brother-in-law has one of these. He has two Hobie Outbacks on it. He has his and my brother-in-law's. So, well, his name's Enrique. He's not my brother-in-law, but he's close. And so, anyway, this is. Oop. So this is what it comes with. All right. So that's nice. Comes with a strap. Comes with 4 lag bolts. So those doohickeys go, you know, vertical. So you find one stud, pop it in there, and you'll be fine. So that one, and you have your other rack. Same concept, and it's cool because this little hook right here is supposed to hold your paddle. And then you have your other one. There should be 2 straps. Yeah, there are 2 straps in here. This is trash. This is going to go to the grocery store for recycling. And then you have your instructions. So the JDocks are designed to be bolted to the wall studs, normally positioned 16 inches apart. We advise that JDocks be placed 32 or 48 inches apart. So 4 foot max. 3/16 inch drill bit. So that's pretty much what it comes with. It says to use a 3/16 inch bolt or drill bit, and that's pretty much it. Doesn't say much about hanging height, but good angle. I'm basically gonna have one sitting on this lip right here. Remove this. Get rid of this.
I didn't want to. You're just there. At this point, it's just like. This past Saturday, he's like, oh, yeah. Well, crew. Yeah, you know. And that was my schedule then.
Yeah.
So, when I see Carlos on
Because I was just getting just kind of grinding. You can actually vent to do it twice. So this is what the final product looks like. It is very nice. Putting it 40 inches off the ground. Left plenty of room for me to put the Hobie Outback, and then actually, you know, enabled me to put the strap up there. It wasn't too tight, so got a good amount of space above it. So it doesn't necessarily have to be that low. And I also kind of elevated it off the ground, so I put a little strain on the straps themselves. But it holds the Ocean Kayak Trident 13 well, and it accommodates this guy down below very well. And it also has that little, you know, J hook at the end that allows you to put your paddle, and I'll put my net right there. So got all my fishing gear on this side, and then I've got all the business stuff on this end. So I hope this unboxing and install helped you out a little bit in making your decision on how you're going to do this and if you even want to buy it. So I'll update in comments, you know, a couple, maybe a few months, a year or so from now, just letting you know how it is. And obviously if anything happens to it, I'll be commenting down below as well. So until the next time, until the next video, the Brandon Roberts edition. Peace out, guys.